In this video, I will show you how to make edits to your Google Sites homepage. Using the pencil tool that is available at the top of your screen, you can choose this tool to make any edits to any pages that are available on your Google site. Notice that now that I have selected that tool, I have a menu of options that are now available to me. I have a toolbar of tools that will allow me to make changes to the formatting of my text. I also have additional options that are available here for changing the layout of my page, as well as for inserting additional content. We also have fields that will now allow us to make edits to them. The first box here is actually not available to users who navigate to our web page. However, any changes that we make here will actually become available as the text that is displayed on the first tab, as well as the label that appears on the tab on the top of the screen as well. This information becomes visible once we click on Save and we refresh the page. We can now make additional edits to our page, like typing our name here in the top box. This information will actually be visible to the public. We can also type in our teacher email address here. Information that you don't want, you simply select it with your mouse and then choose the delete key. Type in your email address. We can also choose our department here. Simply select this information. You can type over it, or you can simply hit the delete key to remove that information. Your campus homepage information. There is a note indicating that we should insert our link, web link to our campus, not just the text information. We can do that by clearing the content that's there and then choosing the web link tool to add or remove a link. If we had a page already here created in our Google Sites that we wanted to add as the hyperlink to that page, we could. But since I don't, I'm going to have to choose web address, type in my campus information here. If we want alternate text to appear to display in place of that URL, we can do that as well by typing that information here. If we want the user to have a new window pop up in order to navigate to the page, we can do that by enabling this option. By clicking here, it will put a check mark in the box to enable that option, and then you need to click on OK. So now we have campus homepage information that has been made available here as a hyperlink. When the user clicks on it, it will take them to our campus homepage. We can also type in our campus contact information here. If we want to include a suitable logo, I don't have our actual campus logo, but you can Google search for images and locate an image of a night to place in the spot where this was located. We put that there by going up to the menu, click on the Insert tab, and then click on Image. Notice we also have the option of choosing something from our Google Drive if we have an image on our Google Drive stored there already that we would like to include. In my case, since I have downloaded an image of a night to my desktop, I'm going to click on Insert tab, click on Image, and I'm going to choose to upload that image. Notice that you also have the option to specify an image based on URL. I don't like that option because if the website changes that I've set here, then my image may be lost. So from here we would choose the Upload Images button and then navigate to the directory on your computer where that image is currently stored. In this case, I have a picture of a night. I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click on Open. That will upload that image into your repository of Google Images, or Google or images or documents or anything that you would like stored there for later to be used. This is basically like your library of uploaded stuff. So choose that image, make sure you have the blue bar, the blue line around it to show that it's selected, and then click on OK. It's awfully big, but we can change the size of it by clicking on it and then choosing from the size options here. Here I have the original size, 100% size. This is the way it was downloaded from the internet. I can choose to make it a little bit smaller by choosing large, then medium, still too big. I will go ahead and choose small. That's just perfect. Now we can also edit other information such as the courses we're teaching. our conference period information, and any professional contact information like links to social media sites that we maintain for our campus. So here I can put the web link to any Google Sites page or any Google Plus page community, YouTube channels, or any social media sites that I am maintaining for my school or for a school club. You would want to use the web link feature to enable the content to be displayed, the web link to be displayed for those pages. Now here we can actually choose to change the picture that's available. Right now I have mine set to our default smiley face. However, we can change it to include our badge ID photo by going to our inside website, inside.cfisd.net directory. However, because I am currently not on campus and Inside is an intranet site, I currently do not have access to navigate to that website outside of campus at this time. So that picture can be changed by going to the Insert tab and choosing that image once we have actually downloaded it to the computer. Where it says click to learn more about me, we can actually go here and we can create a separate page on our site, within our site, that will allow us to add a biography where users will be able to click here to learn more information about us. I will add that information onto another video on how you can add pages such as a biography page where users can navigate to locate additional information or your biography about yourself. I will also discuss in the next video how to add additional tabs and make changes to the tabs that are available.